Ever wondered what those buzzwords like IPO, FPO, dividends, and right shares really mean in Nepal's stock market? You see them every day, but do you know how they can actually help you make money? Stick with me for just 5 minutes, and I promise you'll understand what most people don't, in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the most exciting one, IPO, or Initial Public Offering. When a company wants to raise money to grow, it offers its shares to the public for the first time. In Nepal, companies like Nepal Reinsurance, NRIC, or HIDCL started their stock market journey this way. You, as an investor, can apply through MeroShare, even with just a few thousand rupees. If you get lucky and receive allotment, you instantly become a shareholder. And when the share lists in NEPSE, its price often jumps. That's where early profits come in. Sounds easy, right? But that's just the beginning of your journey as an investor. Next is FPO, or Further Public Offering. Think of it like a company saying, hey, we've grown, and now we need more funds to expand even further. So they issue more shares to the public. Usually, FPOs are offered at a price close to the market value, not the low 100 rupees like IPOs. It's a sign the company is stable and growing, and it allows new investors to join at a fair price. So, if IPO is your entry ticket, FPO is your opportunity to grow with the company. Now comes the favorite part for long-term investors, dividends. This is the company's way of saying thank you for trusting them. When a company makes a profit, it shares a portion with shareholders as cash dividends or bonus shares. For example, if you own 100 shares of Nabil Bank and they announce a 10% cash dividend, you'll get 1,000 rupees in your account. Bonus shares mean instead of cash, you get extra shares, which increases your holdings for free. Dividends are proof that the company you invested in is performing well and that your money is working for you. Finally, let's talk about right shares. When a company needs more capital, it first gives its existing shareholders the right to buy additional shares, usually at a discounted price. Example, if you have 100 shares and the company announces 1-to-1 right shares at 100 rupees each, you can buy 100 more at that lower rate before anyone else. That means more ownership, more future dividends, and potentially more profit when the market price rises. So next time you hear about right shares, don't scroll past. It might be your best chance to multiply your investment. Now you know the 4 pillars of the Nepali stock market: IPO, FPO, dividends, and right shares. These are not just financial terms. They're your tools to build wealth, one smart decision at a time. If you want to stay updated with real NEPSE news, new IPO openings, and daily insights, subscribe to ShareInfo_NP, because every short video here brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Subscribe for daily NEPSE insights.